This YouTube channel has already gained 55,000 subscribers simply by posting factory and manufacturing videos. That's an amazing achievement, showing the power of niche content. Creators across YouTube are consistently generating millions of views with AI-powered factory and manufacturing videos, and some are reportedly earning thousands of dollars every month. So, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create these AI factory videos yourself using a simple workflow. And the best part, you can get started with free tools. Step 1. Generate your factory video ideas. First, go to the description below and open the detailed prompt I've prepared for you. Copy the entire prompt carefully from beginning to end. Now open ChatGPT, paste the prompt, and press enter. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate a list of interesting factory and manufacturing video ideas for you. But that's not all. The prompt also generates complete video scene prompts for your selected factory idea, so you don't have to write every scene manually. As you can see, it creates a detailed, ready-to-use scene description instantly. You can choose any idea from the list. Or, if you already have your own factory concept, simply type it into ChatGPT. ChatGPT will then create a complete sequence of AI video prompts based on your idea. Step 2. Create your first AI factory scene. Here's the prompt it generated for a high-tech factory. Once your prompts are ready, copy the first scene prompt. Now open Google Flow and create a new project. Select the video option and open Ingredients. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9. Choose OmniFlash as your video model, and set the duration according to the available option to as 4 to 6 seconds. Now paste your first scene prompt and click Generate. Within a few moments, your first AI factory scene will be ready. Step 3. Keep every scene consistent. Here's an important step that helps maintain visual consistency. Select your generated video scene, click the 3-dot menu, and choose Add to Prompt. This allows Google Flow to use the previous scene as a visual reference for the next scene. As a result, your factory, machines, products, environment. Now return to ChatGPT and copy the second scene prompt. Paste it into Google Flow and generate the next clip. Continue using the same process for every remaining scene. For this tutorial, I created 5 scenes to demonstrate how the complete manufacturing process can look from beginning to end. Step 4. Edit your video. Once all your scenes are generated, download the clips. Then open any video editor you prefer. Import all the clips and arrange them in the correct order. Make sure the manufacturing process flows naturally from one scene to the next. This seamless integration is key to efficiency. From raw materials to assembly and inspection, every stage connects. Okay, once everything looks clean and polished, it's time to export your final video. And that's it! Your AI-powered factory manufacturing video is ready to upload to YouTube. Now, let's watch the final result together. So, that's the complete method. If you found this tutorial useful, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the latest AI tools, viral niches, and content creation strategies. I'll see you in the next video.